All rise for journalist and TV personality Star Jones. She's moved behind the bench to preside as judge on the new divorce court. Season 24 of the hit show kicked off yesterday on our sister station, WWOR Channel 9. Star Jones in the studio looking fantastic.
Well, I have to do something if I'm going to come over here and sit next to my sister.
I know. I love you and I miss you. We used to be like little companions on the Soul Cycle bike.
Oh, absolutely. Chopping it up in the Hamptons. But you know what? With girlfriends, and you have been so wonderful, loving, and supportive. She's a real chick's chick. I don't know if people understand that. And for me, that means a lot.
Thank you. And I appreciate you, too. Tell us about the show, because I'm excited for you. Like, I know you have a law background.
Yep, absolutely. Well, people forget that before I was legal correspondent for NBC News and doing exclusive interviews and with people who have been accused of crimes or convicted of crimes and covering those trials, I was a New York City prosecutor. I was in a Brooklyn courtroom for 6 years.
We need you back there, Star.
Something tells me I heard that. In the homicide division or the exceptional crimes area. And so I was really a voice for the voiceless. And I realized 30 years later, being in people's living rooms and in bedrooms for 30 straight years, I'm still wanting to do the same thing. It's still my mission. I get to now do it as Judge Star, but with a whole healthy dose of Auntie Star, common sense, law background, all thrown into it.
Your Honor, listen, I know that you get a few wackadoodles on that show.
When you say wacky, I say wacky. But you know what? I realized, Rosanna, that people bring drama and trauma to relationships, and if you don't resolve that, that relationship can't grow. And so you will see in this season of Divorce Court a lot of drama and a whole lot of trauma.
So tell me about, you know, your personal experience playing into something like this. I would imagine you have, you know, knowledge of how the system works.
Absolutely, but you know, I get to bring all of my background to bear. I get to bring the professional background, being a lawyer, knowledge about media, interaction with a real jury and a live audience. So now I have a virtual audience that I treat as my jury. Oh. They're the jury of the litigants' peers, and plus the common sense of having had relationships myself that are good and that have not been so good and that have been private and some have been public, and all of that goes into who you become, and it also feeds into what kind of relationship you'll have. And so I give everybody what the red flags are, and when you see the red flags, stop. Do not pass go. Get the heck out of there.
I got to see you in action. Let's see Justice Star on Divorce Court.
You are being a doormat.
But it's been 5 years.
It's been 5 years. You're not losing the whole 5 years. You're gaining the next 5 years. You are living in a fantasy world, baby.
It's not fair.
It may not be fair, but it's true. And you are not going to sit here on this room with me and cry over somebody that does not deserve your tears.
Oh boy, you told her straight.
Sometimes women have to hear it.
But was she crying because of what you said, or was she crying just because of her circumstances?
No, she was crying because of the realization that that relationship is not going to work out. I actually give people the signs that you're dating a loser, or you're married to a narcissist, or you have trust issues, or deal with your insecurity. This season, we get to give the litigants some resources so that when they walk out of the courtroom, they can be the best them that they can be, either in the relationship or out of the relationship. And there is resolution after each case.
So let me ask you, because do you ever have a moment where you're like, I should say this, but I don't want to hurt their feeling? Do you put a filter on it?
Are you really looking at your sister Star and asking that question?
I'm asking if there's a filter somewhere.
I have no edit button. That's the best part about it. I mean, I am sympathetic and empathetic because I don't want anybody to walk in there and feel like, oh, Star thinks she's above. Oh, heck no. Because I understand what it means to not have something work out the way you want to work it out. But I know how to get myself back together and keep it popping, keep it moving, Find your happiness. And that's what I really want the litigants to do. Live for themselves. Be secure in who you are so you can bring your whole self to a good relationship.
And I have to tell you something. You're in a great relationship right now.
I love that,
Married,
man.
17-year-old.
Yes, indeed. I got a big old boy who is 6'4", and he is going to college next year. This is his senior year, so we're working on colleges.
Oh, you're going to cry your eyes out, Star.
You know what? I'm so proud of him. This is the kind of kid that God said, you know what, Star, you've been all right with me. I'm going to give you the best kid and the best husband and good.
I'm so happy, and you could tell, because you look fantastic, you're radiating, and your heart, everything's good?
I am healthier than I've ever been in my entire life. I'm 60 years old, and I get to do a job that I love with a man that I love and a kid, and be judicial, Barbie. What more can a girl want?
Justice Star Jones, you got to watch her on Divorce Court, My 9. What time is it on? Do you know?
Here in New York, it's on 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 2 o'clock in the afternoon,
Yes.
My 9.
2 and 2:30.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Got a double run up in here.
Fantastic.
Hey.
Always great catching up. We got to catch up over a cocktail now.
Oh, that's how we do.
That's how we do it.